Now let us start the remote control calibration operation. Click Settings in the upper right corner, then click Calibration Settings. This interface is the remote controlled calibration. Then we click Start Calibration. Click on OK.
Voltage 58.9, high flow point.
Then we start to do the calibration operation. Push all the operating levers to the top.
Voltage 58.9, high flow point.
Then we will calibrate the other buttons. First, button A. Button B. Find the mode lever F. Return to the middle position.
8.9, high flow point.
Idler wheel H. Then mode lever E.
Get into auto
Return to middle
hold
gear.
Mode. Get hold mode.
Idler wheel G.
8.9, high flow point, 50.
Then the C and D buttons. Click Save.
Voltage 58.9, high flow point, 50. Parameter written successfully.
At this point, it indicates that the data has been entered, which means it is successfully saved.